In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then up here tap Add DMs icon to open up conversations list. Next, just open up some conversation and now here you can reply to any message. It doesn't matter, it's your message or recipient's message. There are two different ways how you can reply on any message, and the first way is just move that message to the right. See how it looks like. I just move it to the right and then release finger, and now here it says replying to that message, and now I can write there any text and then hit on send to send it. The next way to reply to a message is just hold down on that message until these options comes up, and here I can tap on reply to write down here a reply to the message and then hit on send. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.